Have you ever wondered why protein is such a big deal when it comes to muscle repair and growth? Well, it's because protein is the main building block of your muscles. It's like the bricks and mortar that make up a house. When you work out, you create tiny ruptures in your muscle fibers. Protein then comes in to help repair those damaged fibers, making the muscle stronger and larger over time. Now, when it comes to protein, not all sources are created equal. Let's dive into the diverse world of protein supplements and discover their unique benefits. First up, there's whey protein. This is a complete protein derived from milk that contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's rapidly digested, making it a perfect post-workout supplement to kickstart muscle recovery. Next, we have casein protein, also derived from milk. Casein digests more slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids over time. This makes it a great choice to consume before bedtime, giving your muscles a steady supply of protein while you sleep. Then, there are plant-based proteins. These can be derived from a variety of sources, including peas, rice, and hemp. While they may not always be complete proteins, they're a great alternative for those who follow a vegan or vegetarian diet or have allergies to dairy. Now, how much protein should you be consuming? For the average person, the recommended daily intake is around 50 grams. However, if you're regularly engaging in strenuous exercise, you may need up to twice that amount. Incorporating protein into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. You can easily add a scoop of protein powder to your morning smoothie, sprinkle some on your oatmeal, or even mix it into your favorite baking recipes. Choosing the right protein supplement for you doesn't have to be daunting. First, consider your dietary needs and preferences. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, a plant-based protein might be the way to go. If you're looking for a quick post-workout recovery boost, whey protein could be your best bet. And if you're looking for a slow-release protein to help fuel your muscles overnight, casein could be the right choice. In conclusion, protein is a vital part of muscle repair and growth. There are a variety of supplements available, each with their own unique benefits. By considering your activity level, dietary needs, and personal preferences, you can find the perfect protein supplement to support your fitness journey. Remember, your body is a temple, and what you put into it matters. So choose wisely, fuel effectively, and watch as your muscles thank you for it.